Alright, so the new question is, can I do a waterfall braid by myself? And I said, sure you can. Alright, so I'm just going to take out anything that's in your hair right now. And then just brush it out. Alright, so when you brush it all out, just get out all the tangles. Alright, so you could do either side of your hair for a waterfall braid. I'm just going to do this side. Alright, so I have bangs. They are this long, longer than my actual hair. So I just took this I split it like that. I took this piece, so it's just that. Then I'm going to brush this out. And I'm going to split it into 3 pieces. So I've always been trying to do this with my own hair. And when I finally learned, then I figured out that I guess I was braiding it backwards or something. I have no idea. Alright, so you want to take these 3 hairs, 3 big sections, and the first one to your crease to the side, you want to have that. You want to bring this top one to the middle one closest to your part. And then you want to take the one down here and put it over that middle one that you brought down, and then put the middle one that you brought down here. Alright, and then this one stays in the middle. So I'm going to put this in my mouth. It sounds gross, but it helps me. Alright. So you want to drop this one, but first you want to grab the top section to add to the very, very top one, like you're going to do a French braid, but you're only Frenching the top part. Alright, so I'm going to put this one down, or in your mouth. Just going to like keep it there. I'm going to grab a section from the bottom. Make sure all the tangles are out. And I'm going to keep on doing that. I'm going to put the top section to the middle section to the floor. Then now the new middle section is going to go underneath the farthest one. And you're going to want to take that, and then you can let go of the other one, the one that you put in your mouth or down, and then you're going to want to put this one in your mouth or down. Mm-hmm. Just like that, and you want to keep on doing that. So I'll show you it one more time and then I'll pin it. So you're substituting this one with one that you're grabbing from the bottom. And then you let them all down. And at the end, I always pull it And then I brush this out. So then you take bobby pin or just a colored clip or just a plain clip. So I'm going to take a bobby pin. Then I'm going to pin it right here. Then I'm going to take another bobby pin just to make it really secure. And I'm going to make a big X with it, so I'm going to do it to the top of it and bring that down, so then it holds better. So this is what it looks like when it's done. And then nicely secured. You can go as far back as you want, or you can do it less. If you want these bobby pins to not show, just take some other hairs and put it over it, just like that.